Here's the progress so far on our ash tree that's died. Hate to cut it down. I've worked many hours under that tree, but it's dying and it's gonna fall, so have to cut it up. It's good firewood though.
So I come inside because it's really cold out there, I think. Tony's off all week, so he's trying to get some things done around the house. And I have got to get out there. Hopefully it'll warm up a little bit. I've got to get out there and help him with picking those limbs and stuff up. That is going to be a job, it looks like. So I just come in to get something to eat for lunch. So hopefully that won't take all day to do, but it probably take more than a day, really. Such a mess. I was afraid it was going to fall over. The tree was going to fall over on one of our cars, so we got to get it down. So Tony and his dad got the limbs cut out of the tree. Now, and it looks really good. Now we just got to clean all that mess up down here. That will be a job. Tony's going to take a break. He's not feeling too good. He's got really bad allergies, so he's going to take a rest, and then we're going to come out and work on this. See if we can't get it cleaned up, because it's a mess. Tony said it was going to take hours to pick all of this up. Hours? 10,000 little sticks, he said. I can't believe how much this has opened up the view, though, from in the house. We're checking to see if we have any babies, and there's a bunch of babies up here laying in our way where we can't even get through.
Here, long tongue. Here, long tongue. Here, long tongue. You afraid I'm gonna get up here and get your baby? See if I can coax them up. Oh, long tongue. Let me pet her.
Well, these babies look like they're growing.
71 looks big. That's one of the early ones.
Watch out, little baby.
Yeah, babies.
They just not want to move.
You want another treat, Jenny? Look at her big old boy. Look how much bigger he is than that one that's way born a good bit before him.
Yeah.
He's just big.
These babies are acting like they're not even afraid of us. I think they're sleepy.
They have no reason to be afraid of us.
I think we caught them at their nap, their evening nap time.
Here,
We found Bella.
Little honey bun's coming.
There's little honey bun. Can't hardly see honey bun
Gotta
though.
hurry because Melania's. Here, Melania. Everybody's piling in
She
here.
wanted her honey bun today. Is that Charlotte?
Yep. Here comes Sadie. Oh, they're all coming
Yeah.
today.
When you first turn them in the field, they won't hardly come to you for a treat. But after they've been in a day or two, they...
Connie, no, used to be a pig.
Who, Connie or Charlotte?
Connie.
Connie's always been a little pig. There's a cow in front of you there.
Let's see. I smell something on my hands.
Like
They
what?
won't none of them eat it except let me try a different hand.
Well, hurry out. Well, Bella eat her honey bun. Watch out, 12. Did 12 get a treat?
I don't know if I got to give it to her. Nope.
She won't eat it?
Nope.
Well, they smell on your hands. Just don't like how you smell. So you just gonna throw it out? Well, Bella sure eat her treat. She's usually pretty finicky.
something on my hands. They won't eat it out of my hands.
Look at how big Charlotte's. No, that ain't Charlotte, is it?
Right here's Charlotte.
Oh, how she? Yeah, her udder. Look how big that udder is. You told me it was Charlotte down there.
You know, I said Connie, and you kept saying no Charlotte.
And I said, is that Charlotte?
They won't eat out of my hand. Look at that buzzard. See it?
Where? There's the buzzard. Yeah, there's a buzzard flying around here.
Hey.
No. Here, I'll give her one.
Yeah.
Here, Izzy. I don't have gas on my hands. You're so silly. Now, I ain't got nothing on my hands. I don't have nothing on my hands. You silly.
Connie don't seem
Connie
to
don't care. Ah,
She
goodness.
finally eat one.
No, it dropped. They're silly. It's like they want to eat it, but... Connie. I've got some back here trying to break into the feed bucket.
22's about to break my arm over here. Try to make sure there's no babies. I'm curious on why those buzzards was flying that low. Twos.
Little baby right there is cute.
There's their last mother. And her little baby. That's the one you petted with the big eyelashes.
Yeah, this one right here is sweet. She is so pretty. We didn't see any babies anywhere.
I'm pretty sure we've looked at all the mothers that still do. And Lord, they're all coming again. They're like those vultures that was in the sky. Well, I don't think we have vultures. We've got buzzards, but all the same to me.
What is this one doing?
Connie.
Oh, Connie and her little baby. Her little baby's turning brown now.
Yep.
It's funny how they do that. There's
Nosy.
Nosy Rosie. She hasn't had her baby yet.
Nosy, you want some treats?
She won't eat treats. That's weird.
They're off the ground.
Oh, she will?
Hey, girl. How
She's
are
just
you?
a pet. But
She's a pet,
sometimes,
but she won't eat treats
Yeah.
for some reason. I petted her since she was little.
sometimes though she's a little ill, but
Yeah. And she's the worst we have about reaching through fence and
Yeah.
tearing them up.
they don't like how you smell. They want it. Here, let me see if she'll eat one from me.
Very before she breaks my arm. It's something on my hand.
Yeah, she ate one from me. Sadie, you're silly.
Gotta get out, Sadie.
Here, let me give her another one. This is Woolie's sister.
17.
Well, she's pretty,
baby.
isn't she?
Yes, she is.
Look how pretty and shiny she is.
Now, Sadie.
Sadie, you won't even eat a treat. You're silly. Why don't you throw her a few on the ground? Why'd you run over?
Nothing. I hope.
Oh, it sounded like you run over something.
Bella down there. She ain't hungry.
Look, Melania will eat one. Did she eat it?
Spit it out. Hey, Bella.
Bella. Well, she eat her honey bun. That's
See if
unusual.
she'll take a treat from you.
Okay, you want a treat, Bella? No, I don't have nothing on my hands, you silly girl.
I just think we're not hungry.
Well, why are they
Yeah.
coming over here? That's 12. Ugh, she spit right in my eye.
Bella.
So we didn't have any babies today, and we're going to go to the house and pick up some of the limbs. You think we can get it all done today?
I do not.
Do not.
No, if I felt better, I think we might, but I don't, so.
Yeah,
I
he
know.
feels horrible. I think it's his allergies. He's been having to carry a roll of toilet paper around with him just to blow his nose because he's been so sick. We stopped to give Wooly and Nazareth and Rafiki a treat.
Come here, boy.
Look at Nazareth.
Quit
What is...
biting.
He just... I don't understand why he does that for. What can we do to keep him from biting like that?
We'll have to have him fixed.
He used to not do that. And Wooly is stuck down there.
Come here, Nazareth.
Did you say Wooly's stuck?
No, he's come out.
Oh, okay. Tony cannot quit sneezing. His allergies are terrible. And he's taking medicine for him, but it's not helping. Wooly's so pretty. Look at him. Tony, I don't think you need to be outside at all. It's just really cold, and it's supposed to get... We've got a freeze warning tonight, right?
Yep.
A freeze warning. And here it is,
Enough for you, boy.
almost May. Why's the cows up there having a fit? You hear them?
They know I'm giving these treats.
Oh, really? How would they know that? I think we're done for the day. It's getting really cool, and Tony feels terrible. He's got the trailer full of wood. We got some of it cleaned up, but there's still a ton of work to do. We'll have to work on this some tomorrow. Hopefully Tony will feel better. What a mess.